Congratulations on your new Joule. With Joule, anyone can cook sous vide and get perfect results. It's easy to cook gourmet dishes and everyday favorites. You're going to love cooking with the smallest, most powerful sous vide tool. In this quick video, we'll show you how easy it is to pair the Joule and get started cooking fast. If you have any trouble at all, please contact our support team at chefsteps.com. To get started, you'll need a Joule, a smartphone or a tablet, and a pot. We suggest starting with the pot you use to cook pasta. When you set up your Joule, you'll see a magnetic foot, a water inlet, a water outlet, a light, and the top button. First, add some water to your pot. Remember to protect your work surface. Then, place the Joule into the water and plug it in. There are three ways to attach the Joule: magnetically, the clip, and the big clamp. The foot is designed to magnetically lock into place as you lower it into the pot. The magnet will keep the Joule upright the whole time you are cooking. If your pot isn't magnetic, not to worry, simply attach the Joule to the side of the pot with the side clip. If you are cooking in a large, thick-sided vessel like a cooler, you can use the big clamp. How do you know if you have enough water? As a general rule, you'll want enough water to cover your food with a little room on top. If you're cooking something small, like a single salmon fillet, you can cook in as little as 1.5 inches of water. You control Joule with a custom app. Start by downloading the app on your Android or iPhone. There are two ways of controlling Joule. You can use Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Note that whether you are using Wi-Fi or cellular data, you will need an internet connection the first time you set up your device. Adding your Joule to Wi-Fi will let you control it and check the cooking progress from anywhere. It's also a way to automatically receive firmware updates that will make Joule better over time. The first time you open the app, you'll get directions on how to pair it with your Joule. Tap the Joule button in the lower right-hand corner. Tap the top button to begin the process. You can even name it anything you want. The last step is to add your Wi-Fi network. Congratulations, you're ready to start cooking. If you're not connected to Wi-Fi, no problem. You can still use Bluetooth to control Joule. Just choose the Bluetooth option in the setup process, and you can control Joule with the same functionality as long as you are within range. However, know that you will need internet again for future software updates. The Joule app has two modes, manual and guided. Manual mode is great for getting a cook started quickly. Let's start with manual mode by pressing this button. If you know the temperature you'd like, enter the number and press start. That's all. In guided mode, you can opt for a guided cook using one of our 100+ step-by-step cooking guides. You can search or browse by category. Guided mode also provides visual doneness videos to pick exactly how food will turn out before you even start cooking. Just pick the one that looks best to you. The app will ask you about your food so that Joule can calculate the correct cooking time. That's it. You're ready to start cooking something delicious with Joule. With Joule, it's hard to overcook food, so once you're set up, you can work on your side dishes or just relax and take a break. When you are finished, there are fewer dishes, so it's easier to clean up and it fits right into a drawer. For your first cook, we recommend following one of the Get Started guides that cooks a smaller piece of meat like a steak or a chicken breast. The Get Started guides will give you the basics of cooking any dish with Joule. For a demonstration on how to cook a steak with Joule, check out the video below.